The Death Star, the ultimate superweapon in Star Wars. The Death Star is one of the most iconic and feared weapons in science fiction history. Appearing in the legendary Star Wars universe, the Death Star is a massive space station designed to destroy entire planets with a single blast. Created by the evil Galactic Empire, the Death Star symbolizes ultimate power, fear, and domination across the galaxy. Its incredible destructive capability makes it one of the most memorable elements of the Star Wars saga. What is the Death Star? The Death Star is a moon-sized space station equipped with a powerful super laser capable of destroying planets instantly. Key features include a planet-destroying super laser, thousands of turbo lasers and defense cannons, housing for stormtroopers, officers, and starfighters, hangars for spacecraft such as TIE Fighter. The station acts both as a military headquarters and a super weapon for the Empire. Who built the Death Star? The Death Star was constructed by the Galactic Empire under the rule of Emperor Palpatine. The project was overseen by the Imperial officer Grand Moff Tarkin, who believed the Death Star would allow the Empire to control the galaxy through fear. The weapon's massive laser was powered by kyber crystals, the same energy source used in lightsabers. The first Death Star appeared in the original Star Wars film, Star Wars: A New Hope. This version of the Death Star was about 160 kilometers, 100 miles, in diameter and capable of destroying entire planets. Its most infamous moment occurred when it destroyed the peaceful planet, Alderaan. The destruction of Alderaan demonstrated the Empire's terrifying power. Destruction of the Death Star. Despite its power, the Death Star had a small weakness in its design. A pilot from the Rebel Alliance, Luke Skywalker, used the Force to fire a proton torpedo into a tiny exhaust port. This attack caused a chain reaction that destroyed the Death Star in the Battle of Yavin. The second Death Star. The Empire later built an even larger and more powerful Death Star, which appeared in Return of the Jedi. This second station was still under construction, but already had a functioning super laser. The final battle of the movie takes place around the forest moon of Endor. During the battle, the rebels successfully destroy the second Death Star, leading to the fall of the Empire. Size and power of the Death Star. The Death Star is often described as the ultimate weapon of mass destruction. Approximate features include diameter, about 160 kilometers, 100 miles. Crew, over 1 million personnel. Super laser capable of destroying planets. Massive hangars for starfighters and starships. Its power was meant to keep entire star systems under Imperial control. The Death Star's cultural impact. The Death Star became one of the most recognizable symbols in pop culture. Fans of Star Wars instantly recognize its spherical design and giant laser dish. It has appeared in movies, TV shows, video games, books and comics, toys and collectibles. The Death Star is now a symbol of ultimate fictional power and technological dominance. Fun facts about the Death Star. The Death Star's laser requires enormous energy to fire. It could destroy an entire planet in seconds. Millions of Imperial soldiers worked on the station. The Empire built 2 Death Stars during the Galactic Civil War. The design has inspired real-world science discussions about megastructures. Conclusion. The Death Star remains one of the most legendary weapons in science fiction. Its massive size, terrifying power, and dramatic destruction scenes help make Star Wars one of the most beloved franchises in history. Even decades after its first appearance, the Death Star continues to capture the imagination of fans and stands as a powerful symbol of the battle between good and evil in the galaxy.